There we go, so tractor restoration part 2. So we've sort of got all the bits off, we brought them back to the UK. I've just got the gunk out here, which is wicked at dissolving grease. And we've cleaned stuff up, and even things like the rocker cover that look covered in rust, it's actually cleaned up just with a gunk and a pressure wash. Right, I'm quite pleased with it. So we've got everything, we'll get it clean, then we're going to have to get the loose paint off it. We've just washed everything. Cylinder head, starter motor. It's a nice sunny day, so it'll all dry off quick enough. Seat, fuel tank, radiator, we flossed that through. So I know I'm going to strip the cylinder head today, take the valves out because the valves are still open. I soaked it in WD-40, which I think is why it seized. I think these valves, well, the valves will stay open anyway, but I think you can see the cylinder with the open inlet valve seems to have been the one that seized. So right, we'll get all that done, cleaned it up, we'll have a look, and then we can get it all sorted, buy some more bits and get back to France. Right, we're just doing the cylinder head. We've got Ari taking the valves out the cylinder head. They were quite seized and the collets are seized in here, so it was quite tricky, but we've made up a little thing, haven't we? Where's that little plastic bracket? So we've got a little, where's the plastic? Let's have a look at the little plastic plug that you've got underneath, Ari. Have you got that underneath? Yeah. So we've made up just out of an IKEA shelf bracket a little plastic plug that sits in there, so that when Harry hammers, the valves can't move. So flip it down, Harry, and give us a demo. So keep that little plastic block. And it gives us a hammer. Comes up this little bit of tube, and the collets just sort of fall out. There's one of them. The other one will go. Do you reckon, Harry? If you just give it. Now he's worked this out. Gives it a little tap. Pull the old valve thing off. There you go, separate that, and then we just drift in the valves out. So there we go, so there's our little cylinder head, and then we'll grind all that in and clean that up. So as well as cleaning, and we're going to get on and paint the parts, we're doing a few fixes of the bits we brought back to the UK from the tractor with us. This looks like it should be sort of silver soldered on here. Now obviously this is complicated because you've got brass here, and this is steel. You can see by the, so you're trying to join brass to steel, and it looks like they've used some sort of solder on there to do it, and it hasn't really worked. So we're going to use some of this Worth epoxy resin. It's quite cool. You have one of these little guns here. You put it in, and you load that in there, and then flip that over. And it's basically an epoxy resin, so it's like Araldite if you've ever used that. So I'll whip that off, and then I'll put the mixing nozzle on there, and then we'll squirt some of that under there and see how that goes. So with it loaded in the gun, we should squeeze it, and it should mix in the nozzle and come out all pre-mixed, which is quite good. You have to use a new nozzle every time, but we'll whack a load of that under there, and then we'll tape that down, and I reckon that epoxy adhesive will have that. So there we go, we'll just fix a few bits, clean a few bits, then we'll get on and we'll paint a few bits, and then we can go back to France and see if we can get the tractor working. So we're just doing the cylinder head, and we decided to put new valves in the end because they were like £4 each, so I thought why not. So I've spoilt myself, I put all new, and I was trying to do them the valve grinding where you reseat them with the old sticky stick, and my stick isn't so sticky, and I was really struggling. So I've come up with a revolutionary idea, which I'm sure is not revolutionary idea, but what I'm doing is I've put it on the old Black & Decker Workmate, and I can see the valves underneath. So what I'm doing is I've put the little cordless drill, you know, hold the camera and show you, put the cordless drill underneath here, and yeah, and I'm grinding them in that way. So I've got the grinding paste, so let's have a little go here, and I'll just pick one at random. So if I just open the chuck up, go under here, pick that valve there. Let me get. Okay. Give me some room so I can lift it up and down a bit then. And then what I've been doing is just gently. Now someone's going to tell me it's wrong, but me and Ian can't think of a reason why that would be wrong. And it seems to be seating this. So we'll do that with the coarse and the fine paste, and get them all.
Is it holding it fairly straight? It's not wandering?
Well, it's in the valve guide. The valve guide doesn't give it a lot of chance to move. I was thinking with the stick you go backwards and forwards, you don't continually rotate, but I can't see why, because obviously your hands can't do that, but I don't think there's anything special by just doing that motion as opposed to a full circular motion. Someone please tell me why. It feels heathen, but it seems to do the job, so that's where we are, and it's only a tractor, so there we go, good luck.